how to stop forwarding emails from one webmail account to another webmail in cPanel. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cPanel, this is the cPanel dashboard we see. Now click on the Forwarders option under the Email section. This will open the Email Forwarders page. On this page, you will see all the webmail forwarders created and currently active in cPanel. To delete a webmail forwarder, click the Delete option for the webmail forwarder. Again, on this page, click the Delete Forwarder button to confirm email forwarder deletion. And done. From now on, emails received in this webmail account will not be forwarded anymore to the other webmail account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.